Before Spring Boot, building web services in Java was honestly a mess. XML configurations everywhere, war files deployed on external servers, different environments, different setups, and one small mistake could break the entire deployment. Developers spent more time fighting configurations than actually writing business logic. Even creating a simple web endpoint felt heavier than it should have been. Then Spring Boot changed everything. No complex XML, no manual service setup, just an embedded server and a few annotations. And you could spin up a running REST API in minutes. Spring Initializer made bootstrapping effortless. Choose your dependencies, generate the project, and start coding. Dependency injection became clean and simple, so developers could finally focus on building features, not writing objects together. And Spring Boot is not standing still. With Java 21 support, virtual threads for better scalability, and native image startup performance, it continues to evolve for modern cloud-ready applications. More importantly, Spring Boot became the backbone of enterprise software. Companies like Amazon, Netflix, and major banks such as JP Morgan still rely heavily on Java and Spring for large scale reliable systems. Because in enterprise technology, stability and scalability matter more than hype. So, learning Spring Boot in 2026 is not about chasing trends. It's about choosing a technology that consistently creates real job opportunities and long term career growth. Spring Boot is not loud, it is not flashy, but it quietly powers the systems that run the modern world and pay the salaries of software developers. Thank you for sitting through this rant. Like and subscribe for more.